Hello all, today I'm going to explain you about microphone sound sensor with Arduino. I created a simple project that turns on LED light when it detects sound. Let me explain it. The components that I have used is microphone sound sensor and an LED. Microphone sound sensor detects sounds level. It measures how loud a sound is and turns on the LED. There are different types of these sensor, but for our project, we focused on KY038. The wiring of microphone sound sensor are A0 analog input, which points to A0 pin, ground, and VCC, which is 5 volt power. And I got LED, which connected to 13 pin. Let me explain the wiring. So LED is the red wire is going to 13 pin and the black wire is going to negative, which is ground here. So already in the breadboard, the negative is connected to ground. And in the microphone sound sensor, the red is connected to 5 volt, black is connected to ground, and orange is connected to AO. Let me explain the code here. So this is the Arduino sketch. Here we got two methods, setup and loop. Setup, we do an initialization, and loop, the code repeats continuously. So in the setup, you can see pin mode A0 input. So that's the input that we are going to give to the program from pin A0. So the A0 is connected to sensor. So sensor reading we are going to use as our input to turn on the LED. Next line is pin mode 13 output. So 13 here is connected to the LED. So based on the sensor input, the LED will turn on. So that's why it's in the output mode. And in loop, we are reading the pin A0. So analog read A0. And the read count is greater than 65, then we are turning on the LED, otherwise we are turning off the LED. So this I have uploaded already to the Arduino. So I'm going to show you the demo. So when I make a sound, the LED is turned on. Thanks for watching my video.